Okay, I want to welcome everybody to the Double Your Crypto system from Infinity Traffic Boost. My name's Clint. I'm the co-founder along with my good friend Frank Bauer, who's the owner of Infinity Traffic Boost, Infinity Mailer Boost, and a number of other companies. And what we're going to share with you here today is a way to double your crypto. Now, keep in mind, folks, that what we have at Infinity Traffic Boost is an advertising income platform. Our product at Infinity Traffic Boost is advertising. But I'm going to show you a simple way to make just a couple referrals and double your crypto over and over again on many different levels. The beauty of this is that you can double to infinity merely by sharing the concept with others, and you decide how much crypto to double, and you decide how long it takes, and most important, you are always in control of your funds, okay? And as I said before, Infinity Traffic Boost is a worldwide traffic exchange and income resource where you earn by referring sales, referring other people who buy a product, the advertising product, and creating duplication. Now, it's really super simple. You purchase any TPO all the way from 0.0005 Bitcoin all the way up to a full Bitcoin, and then refer 4 members that do the same. That's it. Share this information with them so they can duplicate and they can double their crypto, and you're done. It's just that simple, and you can do it over and over and over again. Now, let me give you an example. You purchase TPO1 for 0.0005 Bitcoin or, 50,000 Satoshi, same thing. Now, keep in mind that the prices here at Infinity Traffic Boost do change as the Bitcoin price changes. And I don't mean day to day, but as the price doubles or halves, we also change our prices to make sure that the price basis the US dollar are essentially in range. But right now, the cheapest price is 0.0005 Bitcoin. And as of the time of this webinar, that's about $3 US. All right. Now, you refer 4 members as quickly as possible. Okay. Just share this presentation. We're talking $3, folks, and a whole bunch of advertising credits. What you'll do is you'll earn 80% commissions on your first, third, and fourth referral. Your second referral's passed up. I'm going to show you in just a minute how powerful that can be. And what you've done is you've doubled your Bitcoin. You're making 80% on your 3 sales. You're going to wind up with 0.0012 Bitcoin. That's more than double your purchase. Now, this is important, folks, because it's so simple. Okay, your purchase gets you advertising credits. You can be paid instantly, but more important is you can then purchase the next highest advertising package, which allows you to make even more money as you double your crypto. Now, what is important is the crypto cash flow generator is now on automatic pilot. Why? Let's go back here. What did we say? You've got a whole lot of things going on, okay? First, third, and fourth referral come to you. Your second referral is passed up. But guess what? The way the system works, it's exactly the same, because every one of your referrals who purchased the TPO1 for just 50,000 Satoshi is now working with you to generate crypto for you. Why and how does this happen? Folks, I want you to think for just a minute how powerful this is. Not only are you getting a commission of up to 80%, and in this case 80%, but every single person that joins with you and purchases and they want to double their crypto is now working with you to double their crypto and helping you create infinity depth streams of cryptocurrency, okay? Because every single person that generates a commission for you now is going to be passing you up one sale that adds to your crypto through the efforts of someone else. This is huge. Now let's take a look at this, okay? What I want you to do, and stay with me, I'm gonna grab my little handy dandy guy here, and we're gonna take just a little roll over here as to how this works. And I'm not gonna get real in depth with this. We have a presentation we do called Big Bitcoin, where we review the compensation plan in depth. But I wanna just show you how powerful this is, okay? Here's you make a sale, you got paid 80%. Your second sale gets passed up, your third and your fourth, remember we're gonna double your crypto, you make 4 sales, you've doubled your crypto. But there's a powerful system that goes on behind the scenes, because your first fellow, boom, his first sale comes to him. His second sale, guess what? It comes to you, all right? His first sale goes to that guy. The second sale goes to you. Remember, this was all generated from this fellow. So when we say double your crypto, that's something I can look you in the eyeball and tell you when you make 4 sales, you're going to double your crypto, but you're going to create an unlimited depth income stream that can go on and on and on. And yes, folks, not only can go infinity depth, it can go infinity width. Here's your third sale, same logic, okay? First sale, this fellow keeps it. Second sale comes to you. Now think about this for just a second, okay? 0005 Bitcoin. We're talking about $3 give or take. You can create an unlimited stream of income of Bitcoin that comes to you. But wouldn't you rather double your crypto, say, starting at a higher level, maybe TP05? Now think about this for a second. Yes, that's a little bit more money, but for those of you that are looking to expand your advertising portfolio and make more Bitcoin faster, you purchase the TP05 for 008 Bitcoin, that's about $50, or even TP08. The system is the same. When you refer and have 4 people duplicate what you do, you truly double your Bitcoin. So let's take a look at this, okay? TP05, 008 Bitcoin, that's about $50. That's not a lot of money, okay? Same thing, refer 4 people, you're gonna earn 80% commissions on your first, third, and fourth referral. Now we're starting to talk about some serious do-re-mi. You've taken about $50 and turned it into close to $170, $180. How cool is that? All right, you choose the level of what Bitcoin you want to double and just find 4 people that have the same goals as you, and presto changeo, you've doubled your crypto. Now, let's talk about some additional benefits. Remember, you earn 80% commissions on all TPO packages. In this case, we're talking about TPO5. You're going to earn 80% on all packages up to TPO5 and including TPO6. So when you buy that TPO5 package, we said it's about $50 right now, you actually can earn on one package higher. Just as importantly, you're qualified to receive up sales. All right, remember I told you can get up sales on TPO levels 1 through 6 also. So listen very carefully. By buying a more expensive TPO, you can try and talk to people, introduce them, say come in at TPO5. Are you going to benefit if somebody comes in at TPO3? Absolutely. Okay, so that's the beauty of this. You want to try and buy the highest package that you can afford and introduce it to your team. Some may be able to come in at TPO6, one higher than you still earn 80%. Maybe you have friends that are really scraping money together, they come in at TPO1. Great. The value and the concept and the model here is to come in at the TPO package that is highest. And the third benefit is your purchase boost activation is extended from 30 days as a TPO1 to 70 days. And this is where the recurring income comes in, folks. As TPO5, you need to purchase again in 70 days, but guess what? All of your referrals, all of the sales that have come up to you have to purchase every 30, 60, 90 days, depending on their membership level, to continue to earn 80%. And this is what makes Infinity Traffic Boost a recurring income system, and those earnings come to you. All right, now let's just talk about a couple of things here and then we'll wrap this puppy up. Be quick, but don't hurry. This is a quote by John Wooden. Those of you in the United States here know he was a coach for the UCLA Bruins back in the 60s, set the record for the longest winning record. Be quick, but don't hurry. That always resonated with me, and the same thing for you. If you have this attitude of hurry, hurry, or push, push, people are going to back away. Just be quick. Introduce people. I'm going to show you how to double your Bitcoin. Oh, you're interested in seeing? Bang. Time is of the essence to create a growing stream of instant pay crypto income. Once the double your crypto system, folks, begins to hit the internet market, this network marketing industry, it's going to explode. You want to get to your team and get them on board as quickly as possible. Create that sense of urgency, but be smart, be professional, and be enthusiastic. Introduce people to the presentation. We'll be doing these presentations live. We'll be doing AMAs afterwards. Ask me anything, because we are here to help you make money. And as we said, when you purchase, you have at least 30 days to earn the 80% maximum commission. The higher the TPO, the longer that you have. And don't forget to stay Surf Boost activated. Also, my recommendation is surf 10 pages a day. All right. If you're at TPO 5, I think you only have to surf every 10 or 12 days. But pop in there, surf 10 sites, see what's going on, and encourage your team to do the same, because you do earn Surfers Reward shares, and you earn when your referrals surf also. Okay, so let's just think about this for a second. How long will it take you to double your crypto? Folks, it's all up to you and your efforts initially, and then it's totally up to the team, okay? But what makes this really cool is that you are always in control. You can always request your crypto to be paid out, all right? So you are always in control. Better yet, you can use your earnings to purchase higher TPOs, which gets you more advertising credits, so you can earn larger and larger instant pay commissions. It's just that simple. Okay, I want to thank you for coming in. Remember that the future is up to you. And remember, this is a system and a product. Infinity Traffic Boost is a 60,000 member, 2-year-old worldwide advertising community owned by Add To It Marketing, the company that Frank controls. Frank's been in business, Add To It Marketing's been in business for over 15 years, okay? And when you purchase traffic package options or TPOs and strive to double your crypto, you're buying top quality advertising credits. That's what gives us sustainability. That's why we like to say that the bigger we get, the greater the value, the bigger we'll get, okay? Use your advertising credits to promote online programs, products, and services, and you can even auction off your purchase ad credits if you so desire. So come join us today. Begin to double your crypto as fast and as big as you want to. It's your decision. Come join us. Let's have some fun and make some money together. Folks, I want to thank you so much for coming in. Thank you.